Hi everyone, this is Shamsevan and today I'm going to show you how you need to create your resume explanations video. So first of all, let me tell you, you need to have idea about every single line in your resume to create that. Okay, so if something you don't understand, you have to go to ChatGPT. You have to know, you can use ChatGPT or Copilot. You have to know three first things. I already explained in the video, like previous video in your EAL marketing system, how you learn about your resume, right? So now your answer should be, or your explanation should be based on your resume, how you did everything. Now, three things you must know. If you don't understand the tool, if you don't understand the topic, you don't, it is not required to learn that full tool in 1 day or 2 days. You don't need to learn everything there. You need to know three different things. Okay, so let me tell you about those three things first. So first of all, you need to know, for example, you have seen load runner in your resume. It's an example. You could see so many things, right? But I'm assuming there is a tool called load runner in my resume, but I don't know about it anything. So first thing, I need to know what is load runner, and as a QA or a 8 years experienced QA, okay, it should be our second question actually. What is load runner and why QA uses it in their job? That means what is the purpose of it? That should be the first thing you need to find out. Okay, now second thing, as 8 years of experience, if you have 8 years in your resume, right, experienced QA, how should I use load runner? Please explain step by step process, right? And tell and explain the purpose and result of each step action in very easy English explanation with example, with basic example. Okay, so that is the second thing. And third thing is how, like, what might be the common interview, okay, not interview questions you can learn. What are the most technical part or terms that I need to remember for load runner, and explain those terms in very easy, like with very easy example, with easiest examples possible. So these three things you need to know. Now you can learn the interview questions for that particular part too. That will make you more stronger. So you could learn them from ChatGPT. Now you can learn them from YouTube. Now if he explains, or Copilot ChatGPT explains something that you don't understand, research further on that particular word. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that part? Okay, give me an easy example like that. So that's how you need to know each and every single tool in your resume. You just need to know. You don't need to know exactly how to use it, or you don't need to practice it. You need to know the process, a step-by-step process. How should I use load runner? Please explain a step by step. This is very important. Okay, and why you are using that particular action, what is the purpose of it. So that is very important. Okay, now let's go for the explanations, how you need to create the video. So once you learn everything, start recording like that and tell step by step. Hey, so the first point explains that I have 8.7 years of experience in black box regression, GUI integration functionality possible, blah blah blah. Now here black box means I have done this thing like in the backend testing, and regression means the situation when we test everything together, the problem that the defective test cases, all the defects we retest, and all the deep testing we perform end to end is called regression. GUI means graphics user interface. So now that means when I tested UI functionalities, then integration, like that you have to explain each point from each of the single point, each terms from each of the single points, like that you have to explain that too. When, what is that, when you use it, how you use it, and just an example. The video will be longer, but it's worth it. Just create it based on every single step, share your screen, go line by line, highlight it, tell about it, then complete the video. That should be your proper video. Now regarding technical skills, you could use, for this technical skills, you just need to use like your short one line answer. Okay, for Selenium testing for this purpose, RC ID grid for Selenium RC, Selenium ID, Selenium grid for this purpose. One line. I don't need a whole explanation on everything. Okay, only 1 minute for each point maximum. Okay, so that should be your answer on everything. Okay, just give a shortcut brief, but you need to be so appropriate on every single point. Now how did you use everything here, how did you use this line here, you just need to explain these responsibilities within 2 minutes. So for these points 2-3 minutes, for these skills, these points, only 1 minute. You have to talk 1 minute perfectly. The purpose, that why did you use it, first of all, what is that, why did you use it, what is the purpose, and then just a small example. That's it. You don't need to create anything else. So like that you need to prepare your full resume.